Hey there, my name is Ervin, and in this video I'm going to show you what is the difference between Nginx and htaccess rewrite rules and how to use them. What are Nginx and htaccess rewrite rules and why are they important? Nginx and htaccess rewrite rules are vital tools for website development, helping control web server responses to incoming requests. They contribute to user-friendly, search engine optimized websites by enabling web developers to create easy-to-remember, meaningful, and descriptive URLs. This enhances user experience and increases the likelihood of return visits. Nginx and htaccess rewrite rules are indispensable for web developers seeking to build high-performance websites with user-friendly designs and search engine optimization. Utilizing these tools can boost user experience, website visibility, and ultimately drive more traffic. How can I edit or add Nginx rewrite rules? UltaHost, a web hosting provider, stands out with its use of Nginx, a high-performance web server and a reverse proxy server known for speed, reliability, and scalability. It's ideal for high-traffic websites and complex configurations. To modify or add Nginx rewrite rules, access the Nginx configuration file in the /etc/nginx/directory. The file utilizes the Nginx configuration language, comprising directives that dictate Nginx's handling of incoming requests. To create a rewrite rule, use the rewrite directive. The rewrite directive requires two arguments: the pattern to match the incoming request and the replacement string for the rewritten request. For example, to redirect requests from old page to new page, use this rewrite rule. The rule matches any request starting with /oldpage.html and ending with nothing, replacing it with /newpage.html. The permanent flag issues a 301 redirect to update search engines and bookmarks. Add multiple rewrite rules to the Nginx configuration file, separated by semicolons. Thoroughly test rewrite rules before deployment to avoid unexpected behavior. How can I edit or add htaccess rewrite rules? Understanding how to edit or add rewrite rules to your htaccess file is crucial for managing your website. The htaccess file is a configuration file controlling access to specific directories or files on your site. Rewrite rules in your htaccess file can redirect traffic, modify URLs, or customize URL handling. Access your server's file system using a file manager or FTP client to edit or add htaccess rewrite rules. Locate and open the htaccess file to edit existing rules or add new ones. To add a new rewrite rule, follow the specific syntax in your htaccess file. In this example, source_URL is the URL to redirect, while destination_URL is the new URL to redirect to. The 301 flags issue a HTTP 301 status code and halt additional rule execution. Editing or adding rewrite rules to your htaccess file can significantly impact website functionality and performance. Always back up your htaccess file before making changes and test new rules to ensure proper function. In conclusion, the difference between Nginx and htaccess rewrite rules lies in their approach to website optimization and management. Nginx is ideal for high-traffic websites that require raw performance and power. htaccess, on the other hand, is better suited for smaller projects that need more flexibility and ease of implementation. Regardless of your project size and requirements, UltaHost provides both Nginx and htaccess rewrite rules to give you the best possible hosting experience. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.